I went and looked at this Volvo XC90. I think it might have been an '04 model. Anyway, it's all-wheel drive T6. And I want you to give me your input on this video. This thing smoked like a chimney. The owner said he just purchased it. 3 days after buying it, started to smoke at startup and it cleared up. Then he took it to a shop and they told him that it's smoking a little more, leaking a little oil. They thought both of the turbos were blown maybe. And then he drove it and it smoked for about 5 minutes and then stopped while he was driving. I went, started it, drove it. It smoked the whole time, and when I put my foot in it, it smoked even more. And being a twin turbo vehicle, it had absolutely no pickup. It kind of reminded me of my old Red Block 740 GLE. So if you give me some input on what you guys think might be wrong, I appreciate it. There's a little bit of leaking under the vehicle. Kind of looks like oil. The exhaust are wet. I'm not sure if it's both or one. And it has no power. Smoke from your valve stem seals.
See, it didn't do any of that when it first started. I mean, when we got the car.
That smoke is white, man. White smoke is normally a head gasket issue.
I know it. But a head gasket wouldn't go away, would it?